how to set up and connect your HP SmartTank 615 printer over your home Wi-Fi network router, and to able to use as a network printer and print using your smartphone and other wireless devices wirelessly via Wi-Fi network connection. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first step we have to do in order to use this HP SmartTank 615 printer via Wi-Fi connection is we have to manually connect using its control panel LCD. So we were going to navigate the screen and press Setup. Then scroll down and find Network Setup. Then tap Network Setup to select. Then here, make sure that your wireless is enabled or turned on. Then once it turns on, scroll down and press Wireless Setup Wizard. Then automatically your printer will searching available Wi-Fi connection. Then now you have to select your network name. You can scroll down to find your network name. Then press to select and tuck OK to key in your Wi-Fi network password. Then when you're done typing in your Wi-Fi password, just tap Done. Then we were going to tap OK to confirm network settings. Then now printer will going to connect into your Wi-Fi router, and once done, the screen shows connection successful. Then once it's connected successfully, just tap OK. Then we were going to tap Home to return into your home screen. Then to print using your smartphone, you have to go first to your settings. So we were going to tap Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Then turn on your Wi-Fi. Then here make sure to connect your smartphone is where your HP InkTank 615 printer is connected to. Then we may now go to the Play Store or App Store to download the HP Smart App. Then search for HP Smart Application. Then tap Install to install the HP Smart App. Then after installing the app, just tap Open. And here tap Accept All. And here you have two options. You can sign in if you have already an HP account, or you can continue as guest. So for me, I just select Continue as guest. Then tap Add Device to add your HP SmartTank 615 printer. And here, just tap Choose an available printer, then tap your HP printer model when it appears below. And automatically your printer will be added into your HP Smart App. So these are the available features that you can use with the HP Smart App. You can scan documents, print documents, camera scan, print photos, perform a photocopy, create shortcut and find printables. You can use all of these features, but all you need to do is to create an HP account and sign in here in the HP Smart App. So you can use these features like this scanning your documents. So here, it says sign in to scan your printer documents. So when you have your HP account, you can continue use these features. Then using these HP Smart Application, you can also use the HP Diagnostic tool. So just find Diagnostic and tap to select. Then tap View All Print Quality Task. So here you can print a print quality report, align print head and perform print head cleaning. So now let me print a print quality report to show you that the printer is working using Wi-Fi connection. So now we have successfully print and perform print quality report via Wi-Fi connection with this HP SmartTank 615 printer. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to set up and connect your HP SmartTank 615 printer into your home Wi-Fi network, and able to use the HP Smart Mobile features using these HP Smart application. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.